You believe growth comes easy? It starts the moment your better self kicks the door in.
I could always hear my better self clearing his throat in the room next door. And then his world came crashing down. And I wondered whether or not that guy next door was going to stop fucking coughing and kick the door in. And sure enough, he did. And it's this lovely explanation of the difference between chosen and unchosen suffering.